Hi, um, today I'm gonna be redoing my guitar tutorial of Grow Old With You. Since the last time I posted a tutorial, it was really unclear and I wasn't pushing the strings much more harder to create a chord, a sound. So I'm deeply sorry for that, but right now I'm gonna make a much more clearer tutorial. So I hope this helps. So the first chord is A, and then D, E, D, A, E, D, A. And then the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down. And then just repeat it again and again until the song ends. So here goes. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around with your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll bring you medicine when your tummy aches. Build you fire when the furnace breaks. Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. And this time, A7. Ooh, I'll be miss you, kiss you. A, give you my cold when you are cold. Lead you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control you. Let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink. Put you to bed if you've had too much to drink. Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. I wanna grow old with you. And then that's it. Only this four chords: A, D, E, and A7. So I hope that was much more clearer for you. And I'll see you guys maybe next time. If there's next time, I think this will be the last video I'll be posting. So peace out.